Tomato juice and weight loss. High lycopene content makes tomato juice ideal for weight loss. One study found that participants who drank tomato juice daily, 280 milliliters or 1.2 cups, for 2 months had significantly reduced waist size, body mass index, BMI, cholesterol levels and inflammation. Another study that observed 106 overweight women found similar results, concluding that tomato juice may reduce the risk of inflammatory diseases, such as cardiovascular disease and diabetes. Today's video will discuss drink this carrot and tomato juice for weight loss. Easy-Peasy tomato carrot juice recipe. Combining tomato and carrot juice delivers many health benefits in a tasty, convenient way, especially if you don't usually cook with these veggies. Best of all, it is super easy to make. Here's a simple tomato carrot juice recipe you can try. Ingredients: 1 cup chopped tomatoes, 1 cup grated carrots, 5 to 6 ounces of cold drinking water, 2 tablespoons honey, optional. Instructions: place carrots and tomatoes in a blender and process until smooth. Add a little water and 2 tablespoons of honey, if desired. Serve chilled. Enjoy! Are you going to try this? Let me know in the comment section below.